Maybe a parent, guardian, or student, and you are looking for a platform where you can prepare for UTME, post-UTME, NECO, NECO GC, WAEC, and so on. Visit https://abp.com.ng. Please use secure socket layout for your TCP/IP socket package to be secure while transmitting your data over internet. ABP is an online learning platform solely prepared for students that are aiming for admission in any form of institution in Nigeria, or any student that want to understand the basic principles behind the concept they are being taught. In ABP, there is full package analysis involve all phenomena that any student want to understand in order to prepare fully for that examination. In my past year experience, we have seen parents moving their children from Lagos as far to Ekiti, Ife, Osun, and so far places like Ogun, because they want them to prepare for examination. Many students will even rent an apartment or hostel for students over that such distance learning center. Maybe because of the current situation that we are facing in this country, all over the world, generally COVID-19, and fear of danger, many parents do not have such more confidence to send their students, their children ahead to such far distance to learn, because they don't know what the child may be doing behind their scene. If you're such a parent, ABP is here for you. ABP is a prototype replica of on-site tutorial center packaged to online tutorial, where students will be able to access all video lectures where their teacher analyze step by step all phenomena that they want to learn in order to excel in their examination. On ABP, you will learn, you will understand, and you'll be able to apply day-to-day formula and phenomenon to your examination. In ABP, our philosophy is understand whatever you are learning with respect to your environment and be able to get it to your own language, to interpret it to your own language. Many students, we know that in Nigeria, all these subjects are not taught in our own language. Maybe that is the reason why a lot of students have difficulty in understanding most of these technical subjects that they are learning in their various classes. In ABP, I'm telling you, it is a prototype on-site tutorial that is packaged to online, where you will be able to learn and understand beyond level of imagination. Now, ABP tutorial package all their lecture in form of video, where you will be able to watch the process and step-by-step procedure where your teacher solved various problems and analyze it to you. If you are on ABP, there are many things that you are going to have access to in order to understand the basic principles that will enable you to solve any problem beyond level of doubt. If you are a student and you are also working, maybe you want to amass some cash in order to get money to pay for your acceptance fee in university, the working and the learning does not sync together. On this platform, if you have a mobile phone that can access internet at any point in time, you will be able to learn at anywhere, anytime of your choice. But many of you students, the problem that we are having is that you don't actually know how to use all this internet platform for your own benefit. Many of you spend 90% of your time praising people that will not add value to your life, while using only 10% of that in order to achieve success for yourself. It's not going to work out. For you to have a full success in your examination line, If you want to assess 70% of your mark, what you need to calculate is this. You know, we have 24 hours in a day, and for that, in order to achieve A, the minimum you need to achieve is 70. For that, you need to say that how many times divided by 24 will be equal to 70%, 70 over 100 of my mark. If you do that equation and you solve it, you will find value of S to be equals to particular value. And for that, maybe I should do it and let you know what value is all about. So this is going to be 70 multiplied by 24. So you divide it by 100. So this is going to be approximately 16.5 hours. 16.5 hours in a day. That is 16 hours, about 30 minutes. So, but there is a way you can do the conversion. I am not really interested about that for now. What I'm interested about is that you should be able to maximize your time, focus thoroughly for this particular 1 year preparation to achieve your success in your examination. I am telling you, if you use ABP, you are not going to regret you do so. On ABP, I repeat again, you will learn and you will be able to understand. Visit abp.com.ng today. You will be glad you did.